Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we fill colors in Submarine. So let's get start. First of all we fill yellow color. I know very interesting facts about submarine. Let me tell you one by one, okay? Submarine is a ship that can go underwater. It looks like a big whale. It can swim like a fish. Now we fill red color and fan. You know kids, these submarines look like a secret agents. You know kids, they can discover new things in ocean. They can see everything in the ocean. Whatever in the ocean, they can see anything. Now we fill blue color in windows. Thanks for watching kids. Bye bye.